Based on your website, we are promoting for Google Maps. Google Maps very important option is called your service areas. How to adding for service areas. So how many accept for Google account? Google in a previous we can add a number of service areas, but now is accepting only for 20 service areas. How many? 20 service areas. Area will be adding for two option with the name with the pin code. With the name and with the pin code. Compulsory important option is called if you maintain Google My Business. Previous service area unlimited. Now is only for 20 is compulsory. More than 20 we can't add. Is interview questions. If you're promoting service area, how many location will be accept? As a area wise, as a pin code wise, only for 20 only. More than 20 we can't add. So how to add the service areas? Select your Google My Business. Anything you can select your mapping here. Just click for information. Here, these are your service areas. Okay. As your pin code number, as your area wise. I'm going to only for pin code wise. So I'm adding for pin code and everything. Just last one I'm adding. So you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many we can add it? 14. Suppose here one question is there. So if I am not adding for service area, what happened? They give an option is called how many areas you are promoting. How many areas you have to promoting is asking one question. You can give the some particular areas as your pin code number as a area names. These areas I am supply for my product or my services. Google My Business can understand in purpose. Previous is unlimited. Now is only for 20 we can add by the service areas. So that is based on your requirement. If you target nearby audience, suppose you are in Amirpet, you target by Esanagar, Sanatnagar, some areas. You stay by some Madhapur. How we can reach in the nearby audience? This all will be where service areas. Which area you have to supply your product and your service and your particular trainings. You can add by how many areas? We can add up to 20 service areas. Each area will be accepted by name, by pin code. Only two options. So if I'm searching some name is not there, search by pin code. Search by pin code. No other options. Only two options. By name, by pin code. Adding for how many areas? Total 20 areas. Apply it. They will activate within a time on your particular option. Now is under review. Wait for a few seconds or few minutes. Is activate your areas. So after that you can click for refresh. So still in under review. Once you will be finished, then remove the under review option. But basically any kind of changes is happier to activate any kind of pages. The minimum taking for 3 working days any kind of changes by Google My Business as a notification. The immediate working for within day or within 1 hour also. But they give information will be how many days? 3 working days. Is it clear? This is a very important option to add your particular Google My Business. Which one? Service areas.